Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay Salks back with another video, and your boy Prapor just here too. Hey Praps, how's it going? Just want to say thank you so much for all the support on the last video we put out on the channel. I think it was really well received, and yeah, just did way better than I expected. So thank you so much. Today's video is a pretty crazy run I got into on customs. A few twists and turns in there, and again, there's a special bonus clip at the end featuring our good friend Artec50 slash Salt Tech 50 living up to his name in this one. Hope you enjoy it, and as usual, if you can drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment with what you thought of the video, that would be super appreciated. Thank you so much. Peace. Bye. I'm praying every time I open this door for a red rebel. Last wipe, old gas blessed me with a red rebel. This wipe I've had nothing even remotely good. Nothing. I think the best thing I've had from old gas is like a Salewa or something shit like that. I don't know. Okay, customs. Customs. You've always been kind to me. Scav. Down. Sniper scav clear. Sniper rocks over there look clear. Let's go see what old gas station's saying. Sounds like something big's cracking off in construction. Old gas? I mean new gas. You know which one I'm going to, right? You can see. Okay, let's see if we can peek anyone from here. Boss scav and bodyguards out front? No. It's kind of clear. Oh no, that's boss scav for sure. For sure, that tracer. Feel like he's tucked tight right though, whoever that is. Oh, holy shit! Okay. What's the play here? They can see me in these little windows, I can't see them, so we don't stay here. We need to flank. Okay. Let's go all the way up on top of the hill. Hill anymore? I'm gonna get hit in the chest. Ooh. Ooh! Let's go around. This. Okay. So far, so good. I have one frag. And it's going right there. Oh, this is gonna go so badly. I whiffed so many shots there. There's one right there. I'm gonna have players pushing me from my right as well. There's one. Oh, bad time to reload. How are you not dead? How are you not dead? Oh! Alton, sit down, bro. Stop the bleeding. Stop the bleeding. We're going to probe, we're going to loot, and we're going to run. This one. This. 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 Anything in your pilgrim? We run. We run. Oh! What's going on in there? What the fuck's going on? I need to find somewhere safe to put my shit back on. Need a good bush. Need a good bush. This will do. This will do. Okay. There's a lot more loot down there. All of those bodyguards are dead. There is a lot of loot. And I want some of it. Let's have a look. See what we can see from here. Got no grenades to flush him out if he's inside. Which is not really a position I want to be in. He's got a low ground on me. Okay, now we're really low on ammo. Didn't hit me at all? Okay. Let's see if we can make a play on this guy. Okay, we're down to like 1 and a bit mags. Okay, we're in trouble. No ammo. Approximately 10 rounds left. Single fire. Now I'm really low on ammo. What do I do? Almost empty. Okay. We've got the shotgun. In fact, let's make sure we're full on the shotgun because we might need this. Full of slugs, okay. Can aim down sights, my gun's too fucking long. It's behind this counter. How are we doing for ammo? Great. Around 5 bullets in the AK. 11 shots and what's left in the shotty. I feel like we may have cleared them all out. Okay. Okay. Now, there's a quick loot and scoot. Good night, Rashala. Oh, I need to get out of here alive, please. Labs keycard and a Bitcoin. You love to see it. Now we leave. We run. There's a player here. Give me a shit, bro. Nothing. We leave. We leave now, boys. We leave with all the juicy, juicy, juicy loot. Run, 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 run. I am very, very glad that I didn't run with that PMC's loot at the start. Just follow your gut. There's a guy on my left, close. There's two. Was there two or just one? I would have been shot by now, right? Oh wait, it's a player scav, okay. Nothing. I thought that was a PMC. He's just spawned in, okay. Let's go. We'll take an extra Velde, why not? Face is getting itchy out of scaredness. Oh! Oh! Don't miss it. Keep moving. Keep moving. Yes! Yes! Oh my god. You can do it with no ammo. Believe in yourself. I'm sorry my green screen keeps messing up. I don't know what's going on. If anyone knows how to fix a green screen doing this with... I don't know how it even works. Just drop it in the comments below. Thank you very much. Oh yes, we did it. We did it. Take that, Rashala. 16,000 XP. Oh my god. Woo!
Nice. Literally staying on your rectum this time.
I get
It's the
1 mil,
last time I
please.
killed.
Guy there, front.
There's a player right in front.
It's down.
Fuck off! Oh, what? I just died to a headshot. Are you actually fucking for real? Are you? Did you kill him?
I killed him instantly.
How the fuck did he just kill me to a single shot to the thorax? Mate, this is fucking bullshit!
Sorry, someone
Like,
reading the
what
bullshit.
the fuck? Like, literally, I've just clipped that on my end.
Oh my god, this guy's so fucking geared. What the?